I've basically got 12 minutes before the end of school. So I'm gonna quickly bash out a V7 vacuum to sell over the weekend right now. Charger and base, check. Got the machine, perfect and ready to go, check. Except needs a new battery. But guess what? Look what I got. V7 batteries. And this is what they look like. So I'm going to unscrew this one and put that one in. There's charge in it, bitches. Alright, let's go. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, I got a toolkit. Yeah. Vacuum launch day. We got power, baby! So, pretty much on the last minute to spare, we have power. And we've got my goodie case going back into the shed. School's out for the week, unfortunately. Yeah, my filter. This is my filter, so it's perfect, all brand new, everything. Ready. Perfection, baby. Oh, and that's on low power. Much better.